people in other parts of the world will join us today. Normally our class will start about 5:30 Indian time, which is 7:30 Malaysian time. Some of the men have come today from the family members. Can you all come and sit nearer, please? All of you come sit nearer. Don't leave empty space there, please. Yes, sir. Mr. Vivek. Hey. Mr. Vivek wants a pink one. Golden one. Okay, we will give you a golden one. Don't worry, my friend. Okay. I love you, sir. I love you, sir. It's Mr. Vivek. I'm very surprised. Come to Vivek. Let's do an interview on you. We will interview Mr. Vivek right now. Come. Give him a chair here. Madam, come.
How are you?
Sit down here.
Yeah,
Sir, am I holding it right, sir?
so many things in my DNA.
இப்படிதான் பிடிக்கும்.
Okay, guys, remember this. So Vivek, he has been following PVH for quite some time, and during the time when there was a pandemic, Mr. Vivek was going to the hospital in New Delhi every day, correct?
Right, sir? You can check by your healing one.
Go.
Yeah, sir.
Why
Really?
go?
At each and every hospital, I call you.
When?
You have
Called
saved
me during
us.
the time.
You have. I want to tell you all. Shiva sir. Shiva sir has saved one person. Doctor said he is a dead. He is a dead person, dead body. Don't go to there. I go there. I check it by my healing wand. I just called Shiva sir. And a miracle happened. Shiva sir, you heal him. I just do everything that sir told me. And that person is not dead.
Where is he now?
Alive.
Ask him to come for the class.
Sir, he is alive and Jesus. I just
You
say
know-
everything. I given all my gratitude to do that. You have saved a person which doctor says he is a dead. He is a dead
Let
body.
me tell you something. Let me tell you. Come on, let me tell you something. Sit down. Let me tell you something. The pandemic started on March 29th. Shut down in Malaysia. No, 19. In Malaysia. Followed by India also. Then everybody was shut down. Because the case was getting worse and worse and worse. People were dying like anything. Especially in New Delhi. Correct, my friend? No place to burn, everybody dying, everybody going down there. It was very sad. No, but it was focused on New Delhi a lot, sir. A lot of focus. A lot of TV was buzzing here. A lot of TV was in. So it was really, really bad. No places, the hospital, people are crying, lots of things. So he was.
There is a lot of dark energy in every hospital. Even the doctors got treated by Prana Wallet healing.
Not only that, my friend.
Things.
A lot of curse in the hospital.
Yes, sir.
So much.
So curse them. Patient, family. Lots of money, patient dead, still better pay so much of
Sir,
money
there was no
for
bed,
simple
no
thing.
ventilator,
No, even
no
before
bed.
that.
Yes, sir.
All hospitals are getting so much of negative on the patient.
Yes, sir.
I still remember there was one lady, they're getting a case against the hospital in Bangalore. They sent the lady for some simple thing, and they do this, that, they found, they put her, and finally she died. And the fees were 22 lakhs. She said, she came for simple thing, you find all of these things, wait. And this is the curse. People do a lot of curse on the hospital for charging exorbitantly, and they want to find what is the problem. You just go by one small thing, they do all the tests, and they find something else, and they make the patient go so sad, and go down there, put this, put that, and finally the whole thing goes and they die. So this is what I'm trying to say to people today. A lot of hospitals getting so much negative energy, and thing. Even movies show. I'm not sure about North Indian movies, I watch a lot of South Indian movies. And they show everything about hospitals. Doctors put down there and they spend more money and this and that, even dead body keep a few days and charge all the bill. I'm not sure the North Indian, South Indian movies.
So in North India is also happening, and one day I do respect from Bhavna, but you have all that done, that you have taken the vaccination and it is done. You done the divine fire and taken all the
He brought a
That's
anti-vaccine.
Sir, I-
Congrats, Bhavna, for that thing, for all Indians.
Got the
Yeah.
vaccination
All the
to be healed, sir,
That
for
is
the side
something.
effects.
Yeah, we remove all the side effects of all. But when Malaysia, you cannot get it. But someone, doctor gave me Pfizer and AstraZeneca.
AstraZeneca, yes,
So we
sir.
clean all the negative energy. In fact, you watch it. He do not sign up like that. So this man has been going to hospital and healing people during the pandemic when everybody is running away.
Sir, daily so many souls come with me. And the night I just called to sir, how much? Okay, wait, sit down. I will do it. There's not so many souls of the patient, died patients, and even so many things. So many things.
All of you
sir.
take your wands.
सब
Sensing
अपनी
position.
करके
All the guys in Facebook Live also take the wand, sensing position.
इस तरह से
Sensing position, you all affirmation, you all just came today. Take your affirmation, please. Take the wand. Now check, are there souls in this class today?
अब चेक करिए क्या अभी इस क्लास में
Let's put it
आना
on
है?
there. Let's put it on that center. Feel the energy and say, are there souls? Only one problem. That's not even good. Only one problem. Try. Feel the move. Are there souls in this class right now?
Yes, sir.
It'll move by itself. You don't have to move. Just ask this question, are there souls in this class right now? And then let it be, and something will push you and move. You can even count how many souls are here. Okay, you can even count. Huh? More than that, madam. More than that. Huh?
Is it attached to all the individuals? Attached to all?
No, they are coming for the
They are
class.
attending the workshop with us. They also need it, like you need.
There are only about 50 people in the class. 50 or how many people there?
Yes, sir, we had 80, but only 60.
Yeah, 60 places people. But actually there are more souls coming from the class. They also want to learn. They're just like you and me, but they don't have a body. They want to come for the class and learn. This is why I like about my class. Because souls come for my class. Hundreds of thousands of souls will come sometime. Huh? 100, 200, 300, 400,000 souls, madam. Put it on there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80% of souls who died from COVID virus.
और उसमें से 80% सोल ऐसी हैं जो कोविड की वजह से मर गई थी, वो इस क्लास में अभी अटेंड कर रही हैं हमारे साथ।
Ask, are there souls that come from COVID virus cases?
आप पूछिए, अपनी वार्ड से पूछ सकते हैं कि क्या वो कोविड वायरस केसेस से आई हैं? आपकी छड़ी इस तरीके से आगे जाएगी अपने आप से।
In fact, right opposite there is a park where murders have taken place. They might not close down. Right here.
Now remember very well, guys, it's not easy for somebody to die from COVID. It's so sudden. A lot of unfinished businesses, family members, breadwinners, fathers, children, mothers. Yesterday I went to Patna, a mother with a small children, the husband passed away. The worst part, when he passed away, in-laws family have taken everything from her. They're not giving her anything. Even worse. So imagine how the soul will be. My wife and my children are not getting anything. And my family has come now, kick them out of the house. They're going to rent a house now. And where's she going to get the money? Like that, I'm sure a lot of families are struggling and going through a very difficult time without the man or the woman in the house. A lot.
Some don't have a job also, sir. Their husbands
Yes.
have died and they don't know how to make
How
a
to
livelihood
survive.
now. That is also.
You're not living in Europe.
Yeah.
If you live in Europe, everybody will get money. You know that?
Sir,
You want to
nothing-
migrate to Germany and migrate to Austria. The government will give you 850 euros every month when you do not have a job. Which country gives that money? You know the ISIS people? Why are they walking through to Germany? Why the ISIS people, they take the boat and cross the Mediterranean Ocean, sea, and walk through they're not going to Europe, they're not going to Greece. They're walking to the railway line to go to Germany. So Germany welcomes them and give 850 euros each family member and also provides school and houses for them to live.
And employment benefits.
That is their own way of doing good to the people of the war that they have struggled many years ago. So Germany gives them. Anybody. can prove that you have political alliance,
जो
they will let you stay.
गवर्नमेंट जिनकी प्रोवाइड करती है, जैसे जर्मनी के बारे में सर बता रहे हैं कि लोग वहाँ पर जाते हैं ताकि उनको अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बेनिफिट्स मिल पाए, क्योंकि उनको सरकार हर महीने कुछ पैसा देती है। लेकिन हमारे देश में इस तरीके की इंडिया में कोई स्कीम नहीं है, हमारी सरकार नहीं देती पैसा। तो जो लोग कोविड वायरस से मर गए उनको बहुत दिक्कत हो सकती है, क्योंकि शायद जो उनके घर में कमा रहा था वही मर गया, तो आज की डेट में खाने को भी नहीं है, उनके पास पैसे भी नहीं कमा रहे।
Sometimes good karma is born in certain countries.
तो कई बार आपकी अच्छी कर्म हो सकती है कि आप जर्मनी या यूरोप जैसे या अमेरिका जैसे देशों में पैदा हुए, ये आपका अच्छा कर्मा है, इसलिए आप उन देशों में पैदा हुए, अच्छी कंडीशंस में पैदा
Why?
हुए।
For people who work,
लेकिन जो लोग काम करते हैं
50% go to taxes.
जितना पैसा कमाते हैं वहाँ पे उसमें से 50% आपके टैक्सेस में कट जाता है पैसा,
But they take care of you.
लेकिन
Yes.
वो फिर आपका ख्याल भी रखते हैं, वो सरकार आपका ख्याल भी रखती है।
That's how they work.
इस तरह से वो लोग काम करते
Even though
Even old.
हैं।
I know a Malaysian living in Malaysia, and somebody went to the UK and is now become a PR. Is getting pension from the UK government every month. Not even working there before. Everybody gets pension, even though you're not a government person in the UK.
In UK, sir?
Yes, migrate to UK. Be a PR. They give you money. I'm not joking.
यूके की बात बता रहे हैं सर कि एक बंदा वहाँ पर माइग्रेट कर गया और अभी वो रिटायर हो गया है और उसको गवर्नमेंट पेंशन देती है हर महीने, सरकार, यूके की सरकार।
Your wife is not, see, I have a family people, because I have got previous UK there. So the man came to me and asked me, sir, can I work for 20 hours a week? I said, what? I said, what do you mean?
Less, sir.
No, I just want about 20 hours a week. That means you work only for 2 days. Each 8 hours, 16 hours, and 2.5 days. That's what he wants to work. No, the boss said you must work for 30 hours. I said, no, I'll work only for 20 hours. 2.5 days a week he works. He gets paid. So I didn't realize that. And then he tells me, then someone told me, I said, why the guy asked like that? No, sir, UK is very different. He's got 3 children, 1 old mother, and the wife and himself. Okay? Now the government give money for the mother, for the wife, for the mother, and the 3 children. Because he said, I can't afford too much, I work 20 hours, 20 hours a week only. He gets money for everyone. And free housing.
Wow. Sir, here we
I'm
have
not
60
joking.
hours a week.
I'm not joking, my friend.
Wow.
That's
यूके
how
में
I-
एक लड़के के बारे में सर बता रहे हैं कि उसके परिवार में उसकी माँ है, उसके 2 बच्चे हैं और वो खुद है, और वो सिर्फ एक हफ्ते में 20 घंटे काम करता है। मतलब 8 घंटे, 2 दिन के 16 घंटे और 4 घंटे, मतलब 2.5 दिन वो काम करता है सिर्फ और 2.5 दिन के अंदर वो उसको इससे ज्यादा जरूरत ही नहीं है काम करने की, क्योंकि सरकार उनको पैसा देती है, उसकी बूढ़ी माँ का भी देती है और बच्चों के लिए भी देती है। तो ऐसे भी देश हैं जहाँ सरकार इतना ख्याल रखती है आपको सिर्फ हफ्ते में 2.5 दिन ही काम करना पड़ता है।
So remember, my friend, there's some countries who do too much, there's some who do nothing.
तो कुछ देश बहुत कुछ करते हैं, कुछ नहीं करते। ये हमारी किस्मत है कि हम कहाँ जन्म लेते हैं, कहाँ पैदा होते हैं।
You're a doctor. You're born in Cuba. What's the salary a month? $30 a month.
Oh my God.
Salary in Cuba.
A month or a day, sir?
A month. They give you rice, beans, oil, sugar, salt. That's all they give you. Then $20 is what you spend for your whole month.
क्यूबा के अंदर अगर आप काम कर रहे हैं तो हर महीने आपको सिर्फ $30 मिलेंगे, सिर्फ 30, मतलब 250-300 रुपए महीने।
That's life in some part of the world.
इस तरीके से जिंदगी है कई देशों के अंदर।
You know why?
आपको पता है क्यों?
I've had a workshop there.
क्योंकि सर ने क्यूबा में भी वर्कशॉप करी हुई है,
So I'm telling you, I was so
इसलिए
shocked.
सर को पता
I
है,
never
और
expected
सर खुद
that.
भी अचंभित हुए थे ये
I
जानने
was so
को।
shocked. They're telling me. I never expect what per day,
शॉकिंग सर।
per month. They can't even afford a car. They can't even afford a bicycle. Everybody's walking. Every morning, everybody's doing this on the road. I say, oh my God. The truck will come and take them free. The government trucks will go. A lot of government. This is a communist country. The government will come and take the trucks and send them to work and factories and things like that. That's life, madam. So please be careful. Where you're going to born next lifetime.
इसलिए
Value
सावधान
money.
रहे, अच्छे कर्म करें कि अगला अच्छी जगह, अच्छे देश में आपका जन्म हो, अच्छी परिस्थिति में आपका जन्म होगा।
Do good,
अच्छा करिए,
value money,
पैसों का बहुत अच्छे
other
से
people
उपयोग
don't have
करिए
enough.
और जिन लोगों के पास ज्यादा पैसा नहीं है उनकी मदद
Don't
करिए।
waste money,
पैसों का
Don't
बिल्कुल
waste
बर्बादी
resources.
मत करिए।
otherwise you will not be able to have a good next life.
अगर आप ये सब नहीं करते तो अगला जन्म आपका बहुत कठिन हो सकता है।
Okay, let's start now. Okay.
अब हम लोग शुरू करेंगे।
All of you hold at page number 7, page number 7.
आप पेज नंबर 7 आप अपने आसना चक्रा के सामने रख लीजिए सब। वॉन्ड भी रख सकते हो आप। जो लोग बिल्कुल नए हैं, देखिए मेरी बात सुनिए, जो लोग बिल्कुल नए हैं वो पेज नंबर 7 रखिए। जो पीवीएच को फॉलो कर रहे हैं बहुत टाइम से वो सिर्फ वोट भी रख सकते हैं, ठीक है? Anyone new, please keep page number 7. Anyone following it from some time PVH, then you can keep a wand also.
Okay, all of you hold your wands now, page number 7. Start saying, Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, to my higher soul, to my spiritual guides, helpers, teachers, healing angels, great karmic God, I am that I am. I'm invoking divine forgiveness for whatever wrong I may have knowingly or unknowingly created in this lifetime through me, in many lifetimes through my soul, through my family, through my company, through my state, and through my country. In this lifetime or lifetime before this. I'm also forgiving everyone, all the wrongdoings towards me, my family, my soul, my company, my state, and my country. Forgiving and forgetting, forgiving and forgetting, forgiving and forgetting. Consciously accepting this manifest. God, thank you, thank you, thank you. All of you silently say this very quietly to yourself. God, forgive me and my soul.
अब आप सब अपनी आंखें बंद कर लीजिए और अपने मन ही मन में चुपचाप बोलिए, भगवान मुझे और मेरी आत्मा को क्षमा करें। बस ये लाइन अपने मन में दोहराते रहिए चुपचाप।
And follow my instructions.
और जैसे जैसे सर बोले वैसे
God, forgive me and my soul. Very quiet.
बस यही बोलते रहिए अभी।
Think of your house you're living right now.
अपने घर के बारे में सोचिए जहाँ रहते हैं आप।
Think of your office, your business, your company, your department, your
अपने
shop.
कार्यालय के बारे में सोचिए, अपने ऑफिस के बारे में, आपका बिजनेस हो तो उसके बारे में सोचिए।
All of you repeat after me.
सर की बात दोहराइए।
I am a being of divine fire.
मैं दिव्य अग्नि का फल हूँ।
I am the purity God desire.
मैं जिसकी ईश्वर अभिलाषा करती हूँ।
My soul of divine fire.
मेरी आत्मा
My soul is the purity God desire.
मेरी आत्मा वो पवित्रता है जिसकी ईश्वर अभिलाषा करते हैं।
Day by day I am balancing my karma.
दिन प्रतिदिन मैं अपने कर्मों का संतुलन कर रहा हूँ।
I am accepting divine direction, divine plan.
मैं ये दिव्य निर्देशन एवं योजना स्वीकार कर रहा हूँ।
I am not the soul in me.
मेरे अंदर आत्मा
It's not a male, it's not a female.
ना एक पुरुष है ना ही एक महिला है।
I am the soul.
मैं आत्मा हूँ।
God is my creator.
ईश्वर मेरे विधाता है।
This body of mine,
मेरा ये शरीर
the temple of my soul.
मेरी आत्मा का मंदिर है।
I am a divine spark.
मैं एक दिव्य चिंगारी हूँ।
I am connected with God.
मैं ईश्वर के साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ।
I am connected with all.
मैं सभी के साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ।
God, thank you.
धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद,
Thank you.
धन्यवाद।
India is a country of divine fire.
भारत दिव्य अग्नि का देश है।
India is a purity God desire.
भारत में पवित्रता है जिसकी ईश्वर अभिलाषा करती है।
Government of India,
भारत सरकार
government of divine fire.
एक दिव्य अग्नि की सरकार है।
The government of India
भारत सरकार
is a purity God
वह
desire.
पवित्रता है जिसकी ईश्वर अभिलाषा करती है।
Let the divine fire, let the divine fire
ये दिव्य अग्नि
blaze away and burn away
सारी की सारी
all
नकारात्मक
the
ऊर्जा को
negativity
जला के भस्म कर दे
in the government of India
जो भारत सरकार में है
and all the people of India.
और भारत के सभी जो भी
Let the
निवासी
God
हैं
blessing be with each and every one of
और
them.
सबके ऊपर ईश्वर का असीम आशीर्वाद और प्रेम बना रहे।
God,
ये ईश्वर
thank you.
आपका
Thank you.
धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद,
Thank you.
धन्यवाद।
Okay, good. So what's happening now? You have removed all the dark energy from this place right now. All are gone. So, but it may come back again. We do not know.
अभी सर ने सारी की सारी बीएम काला जादू रिमूव कर दिया है, लेकिन हो सकता है ये वापस दोबारा आए, सर कुछ नहीं बता सकते इस
So it's
बार।
your duty to make sure you read the affirmation and the black don't come back to you.
तो आपका ये फर्ज है कि आप रोजाना क्षमा पढ़ें और सारे की सारी एफर्मेशन जो इस बुकलेट में है आपको रोज दिन में 3 बार पढ़नी है।
Okay, remember this. India is not easy.
भारत में आसान नहीं है, बहुत
There
लोग
are a
हैं
lot of people, lot of competition for everything.
और हर चीज के लिए बहुत ज्यादा हमारे को मेहनत करनी पड़ती है क्योंकि हमारे देश की आबादी बहुत ज्यादा है।
Everybody is educated.
हर कोई पढ़ा लिखा है।
Yes or no? For joining the government.
सरकारी नौकरी के लिए भी
In exam, how many people sit for the exam?
बहुत एग्जाम जो सिविल एग्जाम देते हैं बहुत कंपटीशन होता है उसके
How
अंदर।
many people sit for the exam?
कितने
top
लोग
one
बैठते
lakh?
हैं एग्जाम में?
Lakh?
लैक्स एंड
And how many people
लैक्स,
they
लाखों
choose?
लोग और बहुत ही कम को चुना जाता है, इसलिए ये आसान नहीं है इस देश में काम करना।
0.3% applicants get government job.
Huh?
0.3%.
Point? Oh, I thought 43%. Point?
0.3%.
0.3% only get job.
Amongst the
And many of them-
applicants get government
Yes, and many of them are very hard and they try again and again and again. Some people just waiting for the exam. Yes or no? I tell people, come to me, go and get a job, please. Not everybody get this job. It's so difficult. You want to be the top cream and lucky thing there's an exam, there's no corruption involved. There's an exam, you know. It's not easy.
Sir, even for CA, there is a lot of competition to clear the CA exam, CA foundation.
In private sector, almost 80% of jobs are now outsourced, contracted, not permanent. Wherever is the whole of the company, they contracted.
So it's tough. So you have to be tougher. Tough, you have to be tougher.
तो आपको भी मजबूत बनना है। डेफिनेटली बहुत ज्यादा कंपटीशन है इंडिया में, लेकिन अच्छे से पढ़िए लिखिए और आप भी स्ट्रॉन्ग बनिए ताकि आप अच्छी नौकरी पा सकें और अच्छे से रह सकें।
Go to UK.
आप यूके की बात माइग्रेट हो
You
सकते
can't go to UK. You pass all the UK exams. You know, all this, they get a lot of exams in UK, you know, where you can go to all these common countries, but you must pass their exams, you know. It's acceptable. So you can study really hard and go to A levels and O levels, whatever you have, all these professional exams. So you get exams and maybe you can get a job in those countries. They need a lot of people to work in those
यूके
countries.
जैसे देशों में भी आप बाहर जाने का सोच सकते हैं। सर बोल रहे हैं वहाँ के एग्जाम दीजिए, जो भी उनके रूल्स हैं वो सारे कंप्लायंस करिए, तो बाहर जाने का भी मौका आपको मिल सकता
Okay,
है।
guys.
ट्राई करिए।
So let's do now the prosperity affirmation. Okay?
अब हम लोग प्रॉस्पेरिटी एफर्मेशन करेंगे।
Now let's start now. Wait first, you all sit down first. Let me show you something now. So now, can I have Vivek come here, please? Get your money, please. Come, get your money. Whatever money you have.
Here. He only gave this. No.
Come.
Wait. Wait. Baap na.
Come, let's wait for a while. Come. Now, we got the Indian currency here. Okay? Everybody has Indian currency. Anybody got US currency? Nepali. Okay, good. Anybody got Indian currency? US currency? Anybody carrying US currency now?
So I have UK currency.
Huh?
UK currency.
Bring UK currency, very good. Why you having UK currency?
I work for a UK university.
Huh?
I work for a UK university.
You work UK now or here?
I manage the South Asia region for a UK university.
But they pay you rupees, isn't it?
Yeah.
Working for a UK company here, that's Southeast Asia, something like that. But they pay in rupees, but it's got a UK, but very good. It's got a UK rate. Wow, 20 pounds. Very good. Put everything down. Yeah, it's got UK. Anybody got any other currency?
Yeah, sir.
You got Nepal currency?
Sir, this is Sri Lankan.
You got Sri Lankan currency. We got Nepal currency.
Sri Lankan.
So Nepal currency, come show here.
This is US.
US. Okay, very good. All the money you have.
I travel a lot.
Travel, how long you travel?
Very often, like every month or so.
Every month you travel. Got Singapore currency. Wow, we got all the currency now. Very nice. We got also Indonesian currency. This currency, but this one. Why are you doing all of these things? You just follow my instructions. You don't do all of these things on your own. Come on, fellow. So now we got US currency. We got Singapore currency.
Yes, sir.
We got
हमारे पास बहुत सारी करेंसी है सर, दिखा रहे हैं। ये नेपाल की करेंसी है, यूएस डॉलर है हमारे पास।
Wait. We got Indonesian currency 50,000.
ये इंडोनेशिया का है 50,000
Then we got Indian currency 50,000.
ये हम
500.
ये 500 रुपए इंडिया के हैं।
Then we have got British pound. sterling.
ये 20 पाउंड हैं यूके के।
And then we got Singapore and we got US.
और ये
All the
सिंगापुर
currency
है
here.
और ये यूएस के डॉलर्स हैं।
Okay.
ये सारी करेंसीज
Something
हैं।
different now. Okay, now you come, sir. You come. Since you're a very knowledgeable man, let's get a very knowledgeable man here.
I'm not very knowledgeable.
Come on, sir. You know 0.4% is enough, sir. That's very good knowledge, sir. 0.4% only get the government job after all the exams. That's a lot. That's very little moment, sir. It's a big country. It's not easy.
Well, in numbers it is
Because people are not retiring, sir. Now retirement is 65, 60 now.
the number of people being born are more than people.
No, sir. I'm saying what's the retiring age?
What's
You
the
get
age
to
of
know.
retirement?
Around 60.
60 now.
Most of them are 60.
60. So last time 55. So a lot of people got, so more people can join. Now it's 60. Then maybe we're going to go 65. I'm married at 65.
Yeah.
65. You know what I'm saying? But they cannot find people to work. So they keep people, because even though you're old, you're very knowledgeable. So they need knowledge people to work. I said, 55 is very young. Understand? Okay? Put left hand here.
Left hand
Do you know what you're doing?
No, I don't
No, your first time here.
Yes.
You got the right fellow. Right hand upside.
You can keep the note in your pocket.
Keep quiet. Left hand upside. Put left hand up. Put the left hand. No.
No, keep right.
My mistake. Right hand. Left hand is here. Right hand is left hand is here. Right hand straight. Straight. Both straight. Okay. Straight. Higher. So stop me. I'm going to push you. Stop me. Okay, sir? Stop me. Stop me. No, you must stop me.
Okay.
You must stop me. Higher. Stop me. Stop me. Very good. Wrong, huh?
I don't know which one.
You're wrong, huh? See, when you do like this, I'm stopping. You're not going down. Stopping. Stop. Stopping. Very strong. I'm putting very hard. Understand? I'm putting very hard. Okay? So now, what we're going to do now, we're going to get the Indonesian currency. Big number, 50,000.
अब हम इंडोनेशिया करेंसी से स्क्रीन आप टच करेंगे।
Big number now. Okay? 50,000. Is it big money?
No, I don't know.
No, it's
But
$10.
that's
$10.
the conversion rate.
yeah,
Slightly more than $10.
yeah.
Slightly
The
more.
Indonesian currency is very neat.
You know, this one.
अपने हाथ में पकड़ लीजिए।
This down, okay? Hands up, please. Hands up, just close. This way.
ये देखिए इनका हाथ जो है वो ताकत खो लेता है और गिर जाता है।
But he's making me weaker.
Ah! Look, see. This money is making you weaker.
इंडोनेशियन
No, try
रुपया
very hard.
इनको
Come
वीक
on.
बना रहा है।
Try, come on, try.
So he has put all his strength.
Okay? Nepal money.
Now we will test with the नेपाल करेंसी से हम देखेंगे अब क्या होता है। ये नेपाल के 10 रुपए हैं। ये देखिए
Earned by a doctor.
Don't get angry with me.
Nothing to get angry on this.
ये सर सिर्फ दिखा रहे हैं
First
कि
time somebody is coming to the job. Somebody is very new. Okay, sir. This is a Sri Lankan money.
ये श्रीलंका के पैसे हैं।
Speeds.
Sri Lanka is also raising me.
Yes, sir.
देखिए श्रीलंका के जब इन्होंने रखे तो भी इनका आर्म स्ट्रेंथ खो लेता है अपनी। ये देखिए
Zero energy, sir. Hold.
बिल्कुल शून्य एनर्जी है।
Just zero energy, nothing at all. Listen, sir.
बिल्कुल कुछ भी एनर्जी
So now
नहीं
I'm
है
giving
श्रीलंकन मुद्रा के
him
अंदर।
Singapore money. Put up.
अब हम सिंगापुर डॉलर से चेक करेंगे।
Hold it.
काफी मजबूत है, उससे काफी
This money is
मजबूत
making
है।
you weak. Are you strong enough? Hold.
होल्ड पर अब ये देखिए जब इन्होंने सिंगापुर मुद्रा रखी है तो इनका हाथ अभी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, नहीं गिर रहा है नीचे।
Because the currency is strong.
यस, बिकॉज जो सिंगापुर की करेंसी है उसमें काफी ताकत है। पाउंड सर, अब ये यूके के 20 पाउंड है। अब इनको देखते हैं क्या होता है।
Higher.
हाँ, यहाँ।
Stopping.
ये देखिए कितना ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गया इनका हाथ, बहुत ज्यादा मजबूत हो गया सिंगापुर डॉलर से भी ज्यादा।
What is money doing?
ये पैसा क्या कर रहा है?
Making me strong or weak, whatever.
No, make it strong. So it's only not part big water. No, tell me what is whatever. When you hold it, what happened with the pound?
Yeah, okay.
When you held the pounds, then what happened?
Strong,
Strong. That's all. You just tell me that, not whatever. Don't say whatever. Make me strong. Now I'm giving you US dollar.
अब ये यूएस के डॉलर्स के साथ हम चेक
आइए।
करेंगे कि क्या होता है।
Higher.
ऊपर रखिए थोड़ा हाथ।
Higher, sir. Good. Stopping.
देखिए यूएस के डॉलर से भी बहुत मजबूत है इनका हाथ।
Come on. Stopping.
ऊपर करिए।
You see the difference in all this money?
क्या आप
What
देख
the money
सकते हैं?
carries?
सर इंडिया
What the money carries?
I hope it's strong, sir.
It's not, it's
It's
midway.
not that bad.
It's midway. It's
Now listen to
midway.
me. Listen to me. Don't get angry.
Because now we are dealing
Don't get angry.
now we are dealing
Listen.
forex trade in rupees also.
Now only you're doing.
Now,
Before this,
not before.
exactly. So please understand what I'm trying to say. Money, anybody can come. Money carries energy.
देखिए मुद्रा के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा ऊर्जा होती है। सर हमारे को यही बता रहे हैं, इन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया है, सिर्फ ये हमें डेमो दे रहे हैं कि
Listen to me.
हर मुद्रा से कितनी एनर्जी मिल रही है।
If I go to the world market, what money they want?
अगर हम वर्ल्ड मार्केट में जाते हैं तो उनको कौन सी मुद्रा वो किस में एक्सचेंज करते हैं? डॉलर में एक्सचेंज करते हैं, राइट? इस वजह से डॉलर बहुत पावरफुल है।
I take this money, I go to Argentina. You're a shipper, you travel the world. Which money they want?
Dollars, US dollars,
And British pound.
pounds,
And the euro.
euro as well.
They want the Indonesian money? This man travel in the ship, he goes all over the world. You got on the plane, you got on the ship, you go to the port. What money must you carry? Indian
Dollars.
rupees? You must carry Sri Lankan money? Or you carry what? What money you should carry to people will come, I want.
US dollars.
आप जहाँ भी बाहर अगर जाते हैं देश विदेश में, आपको कौन सी मुद्रा लेके जाना है?
Every money changer will ask. Every money changer will
जो भी
ask.
मनी एक्सचेंज जहाँ से भी आप कराएंगे पैसे, हर एक को यूएस डॉलर्स ही चाहिए और कोई मुद्रा नहीं चाहिए, इसलिए उसमें बहुत ताकत है।
He wants to hold money.
Choose the money.
Thank you.
What's the amount? Very good. See, you pick the amount. Not Indian currency.
Yes, sir.
Pick the amount.
Sir, he already
Well,
knows
this is
now.
one of the biggest money today in the market. The exchange is bigger. There's one money bigger than this.
Yes.
There's one money bigger than this.
Yen,
Currency,
sir.
currency.
Euro.
Yeah.
Yen.
Kuwaiti. Correct.
Kuwaiti dollar.
Very big.
It's not dollar, it's dinar.
Dinar.
No, Kuwaiti dinar, whatever you want to buy. It's bigger than the US dollar. Bigger than the pound. But you don't find the money anything around. You don't find the money going. But that money is there. Is that? So the left hand. Put here. Hands up, please. Close. Stopping. Stopping. Stop. Stop. So for a man, you put the whole hand like that. Okay? Stopping. Stopping. No, you just stop me. Okay. Push it. Stopping. Good. I'm not going to push you hard. I'm going to put again. I'm going to put my hand and slowly into the ball. You stop it. Understand? Don't go and push hard. His shoulder might start paining.
बहुत तेज आपको नहीं मारना है, धीरे धीरे कोशिश करेंगे नीचे करने की, धीरे धीरे
Now,
करेंगे।
I put the euro part.
अब यूएस, अब यूके पाउंड रखे हैं, अब देखते हैं क्या होता है। बहुत मजबूत है इनका
The
हाथ।
money. Okay, choice.
अब कोई और मुद्रा उठाइए आप।
What is that?
What is that?
50,000.
What?
Indonesian
अब
currency.
इंडोनेशियन करेंसी इन्होंने रखी है। ये देखिए, इनका हाथ बिल्कुल ही अपनी क्षमता खो
What
देता है।
magic? I'm not doing any magic. I'm just putting your hand. I'm putting my hand and I'm just pushing it down and your hand is going down.
इनको विश्वास ही नहीं हो रहा कि ऐसा होगा। ये कह रहे हैं तो जादू है।
How come is my? I want to do my. Everybody come. Choose Indian rupees.
कोई भी ये अपने घर में इसको ट्राई कर सकता है, आप खुद ट्राई कर सकते हैं। अब ये इंडियन रुपीस 500 रुपए रखे हैं इन्होंने। देखिए अब
बस।
फिर से खत्म हो रही है।
Hey, even worse, my friend. Put it back. Choose whatever color.
It's not about the domination. Denomination. Yeah.
Energy. With the 10 rupees or 100 rupees or 50 rupees is the energy.
अगर आप 2000 रुपए का नोट भी दोगे तो भी यही होगा।
Put it down. What is that? Money.
Nepal.
Nepal.
अब नेपाल की करेंसी रखी है इन्होंने, इससे भी इनका हाथ नीचे गिर जाता है।
Now. Now wait. I'm not finished. Now I'm going to take all the low currency,
Yes sir.
the Nepali currency, sorry, the Sri Lankan currency, Nepali currency, and the Indian currency, and the Indonesian currency. I'm going to put all them together, and I'm going to put the US currency one. Okay? I'll go down. Put it down.
अब सर ने सारी जो कम करेंसी थी उनको एक साथ करा है और सिर्फ यूएस डॉलर एक जो स्ट्रॉन्ग है उसको रखा है साथ में।
Hey,
ये
it's not even
देखिए
moving.
कितना स्ट्रॉन्ग है यूएस डॉलर।
It's not even moving. It's not even moving.
छोटी
See,
करेंसी
moving.
की नकारात्मक
Just
ऊर्जा को
straight down.
खत्म कर रहा है।
Not a bit also moving. Yes or no?
Yes.
See how much energy this money carries.
देखिए कि यूएस डॉलर में कितनी ज्यादा एनर्जी है, कितना मजबूत है यूएस डॉलर।
Everybody in the world wants this money.
क्योंकि पूरी दुनिया भर में हर एक को यूएस
From
डॉलर
Iceland, the southern part of Argentina,
अर्जेंटीना तक,
Chile, I can
चिली
take money
में,
anywhere
साउथ
and
अमेरिका
use it for
में
changing.
आप इस मनी का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। ये मुद्रा काम करेगी,
Yes, sir, okay.
इसलिए ये बहुत मजबूत है और इसकी बहुत अच्छी ऊर्जा है इस डॉलर के अंदर, यूएस डॉलर के अंदर।
Correct, sir? Yeah. Where's the envelope?
Thank you.
Wait, I'm not finished yet. I'm putting all this money, come. I'm putting all of this money, Indonesian money, Indian rupees, Nepali money, and also the
श्रीलंका।
into my ang pao packet.
अब सर ने ये सारी जो मुद्राएं जिनसे मजबूत नहीं था,
Wait.
इनको TVH के पैकेट में डाला है यहाँ पे।
Read.
अब इसको पढ़िए आप।
My money is the money of divine fire. My money is the
प्योरिटी गॉड
purity of
God.
प्योरिटी
God
गॉड
desire.
Read.
Giving me, receiving.
Giving is receiving.
Giving is receiving. Whatever I am giving, the more I am receiving. The more I am receiving, the more
Read.
money rain on me.
Rani, rain on me.
पैसा मेरे ऊपर
Money pour on me.
मेरे ऊपर झरने की तरह बहो।
I'm full of
मैं
money.
पैसे से भरपूर हूँ। ये सब लिखा हुआ है पीवीएच पैकेट के अंदर, मनी पैकेट के अंदर। अब ये करने के बाद सर ने इनको दोबारा से ये मुद्रा निकाल के दी है और अब टेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो इस करेंसी की एनर्जी एकदम बदल चुकी है और इनका हाथ मजबूत है।
Yes.
बहुत मुश्किल है विश्वास
How
करना।
our thoughts can change.
हमारे विचार कैसे ऊर्जा को परिवर्तित कर सकते हैं ये देखिए आप।
How the energy money can change.
कैसे हमारी मुद्रा की एनर्जी ऊर्जा बदल रही है।
Yes or no?
Yes, yes, perfect. Absolutely.
Even when I want to buy some things, when I do business in India, the money from Malaysia will go to US bank and then come to India. You know that, guys? When we buy things from India, let's go all to US bank. And the US bank will send because there's no direct link between the Indian bank to Malaysian bank. You go to US bank and US bank will pay and then only I get the product.
सर बोल रहे हैं जब मलेशिया से इंडिया ट्रांसफर करते हैं तो पहले यूएस जाते हैं पैसे फिर इंडिया आउट होते हैं।
All this money is energized now.
अब ये सारा पैसा एनर्जाइज हो चुका है।
Put your money here and don't get spend the money and put it back here. Put it back here. So this packet has been made with lots of overseas currency. All that currency, not on top, even below that. I've taken pictures and put my money is money of divine fire, my money is of purity God. So we can all change the energy of this money. But remember, is there any other Indian rupees? So you have 200 rupees here.
200 रुपए है
Put it
इंडियन।
down. Not for the time.
Sir, he is very inquisitive about
Let's see.
it.
It's up to him. He's a very strong fellow. He should know.
Yes, sir.
He came back. I don't believe this, right? He came, I don't believe this, right? How is this happening? Don't take it out now.
अब इन्होंने 200 रुपए को डाला है पीवीएच के मनी पैकेट में। अब देखते हैं निकाल के क्या होता है। अब देखिए पूरी की पूरी एनर्जी बदल गई है पैसे
Hey,
में।
you're not even moving an inch, you know. You're standing so straight, just not even moving an inch. This is what I'm saying. So please understand, we should all bless our country's money. Don't look down our country's rupee or any country. Never look down. Our money is our money. We must give the strength for the money to be strong. So all of you take the wands, please. We're going to do prosper
अपनी
affirmation.
छड़ी
All of you take
निकालिए।
your Indian rupees, please. Now,
अपने पैसे ले लीजिए सब।
Thank you so much.
yeah.
अब हम समृद्धि का आशीर्वाद करेंगे। आप सब अपनी पैसे अपने हाथ में ले लीजिए।
No, what is you got something like you got Nepal, you have Nepal money.
सर
Who gave me the
Nepal is here.
No, no, I want you to keep and bless it.
No, it's okay. I'm going to press on the money. This is this. Okay, guys, your money is 500 rupees, right? Now remember this very well. So we are the ones responsible for the thought form that we put on money. Understand? So we are the one who are totally responsible
Shall
for
I
the
get my
energy
wallet?
of this money.
और it's
As business people,
Shall I get my
you
wallet
want US
or
currency,
something?
you want Euro currency,
Kept there,
you want
my
all of
wallet.
these things.
Shall I get
Even for
my purse?
transaction overseas, you please pay me in US currency. I'm not going to get Indian rupee. The only guys who are fighting very hard, they want Chinese currency. Either Chinese, you send me in renminbi. I'm not going to have US anymore. That guy. So now we are going to prosper information. All of you take your money. Wait. How you start with prosper information? Very simple. Your mudra must be like this. The mudra. Okay? I'm going to show you how. You're going to stand like that. You don't have to face the sun. You're going to put tongue on the toilet. You're going to do 10 times. Wait, watch. Then you can do. You're going to do like this. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale.
ये पैसों की मुद्रा है जो सर दिखा रहे हैं आपको। आप अपने अंगूठे के साथ अपनी बीच वाली उंगली को बंद कर दीजिए और अपने जीभ को अपने तालू पे रखिए और हल्का सा झुकिए और ऊपर होइए।
You have knee pain, don't do. Do slightly. Just slightly. Wait, madam, wait. I'll show you that.
इस प्रकार आपको अंदर सांस लेनी है और छोड़नी है। ये मुद्रा बनाए हुए। अपने जीभ को ऊपर रखिए। इसको हम मनी मुद्रा कहते हैं।
Base chakra.
बेस चक्र से एनर्जी पता चलती है प्रॉस्पेरिटी।
Most of the spiritual people will be sitting like this. They don't want anything.
जो
They have no
बहुत
money by underwear also.
आध्यात्मिक लोग हैं वो शून्य जब बना बनाते हैं अपने अंगूठे से अपनी इंडेक्स फिंगर को मिला
one cloth to wear.
तो कोई भी उनके पास एनर्जी नहीं पैसे की होती है।
They got no money to buy shampoo also.
उनके
Hair
पास
growing until there.
कुछ भी खरीदने के पैसे नहीं है।
They say like, don't say like.
ऐसे मत बैठिए प्लीज। ऐसे बैठेंगे तो
All
प्रॉस्पेरिटी
the
एनर्जी
desire energy back into spiritual energy. Do not have. Okay? These chakras are all different. This is money chakra or desire chakra. Yes, we must have desire. Otherwise you cannot grow. Everybody must have desire. I have desire. My desire is to go all over the world and teach people this technique so everybody can learn and be successful. This is what I want to do.
सर कह रहे हर एक की कोई ना कोई इच्छा होती है। मेरी इच्छा है कि मैं दुनिया भर जाऊं, दुनिया भर घूमूं और लोगों की मदद करूं। तो इस तरीके की मुद्रा नहीं बनानी, आपको अपनी बीच वाली उंगली अंगूठी के साथ जोड़नी है ताकि जो आपकी समृद्धि की ऊर्जा है वो बढ़े। और समृद्धि की आपको मुद्रा बना के रोजाना इस तरीके से स्क्वाट करना है और इसको अपनी जीभ को तालू पे लगाना है।
Mudra has to be like this. Okay?
इस तरीके से
10 times. Inhale,
10 बार
come
करिए।
forward, inhale, exhale. You all will stand up, please.
खड़े हो जाइए सब।
10 times.
10 बार करना है।
If pain, don't do it.
अगर घुटनों में दर्द है तो मत करिए, बैठे रहिए।
All children don't do.
और जो बच्चे जाते हैं स्कूल उनको भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
School children don't do. Go to school and study.
जो बच्चे हैं वो सिर्फ पढ़ाई पे कंसंट्रेट फोकस करें, बच्चों को करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
बॉन्ड हाथ में रखना है सर अभी।
हाँ, अभी तो ऐसे ही कर सकते
अभी ऐसे करो, अभी ऐसे करना अभी।
Okay? You have the wand, you have to hold the wand like this also. Okay?
अगर बॉन्ड है आपके पास तो पकड़ सकते हैं बॉन्ड को।
Put it here. And inhale, exhale 10 times. 1. Inhale, exhale. Slowly 10 times. Don't close eyes, madam. I want mandate, madam. Right now, mandate side. Close eyes,
आंखें मत बंद
mandate.
करिए प्लीज
Now
आप।
you want to go away. Inhale, then. Okay? So once you finish, fine, take your money. Take your money.
अब अपने पैसे ले लीजिए आप सब।
We have the money. Hold the money like that. Hold the money. Open the money.
पैसे लेके पकड़िए अपने।
You have the envelope. You can hold the envelope. The envelope, hold the envelope like this. Envelope. Envelope. You can hold the envelope like this. Remember this. Envelope. You don't need the wand because symbol is here. Envelope is hold like that. The symbol is that. Don't need the symbol because the symbol is here. See, the symbol energizes everything. So in this case, we want to energize the prosperity energy that coming to us, our family, our company, and everything else. Okay? Very important. Okay? Right. So hold it like that. Put it here. All the money you have. Say. Okay? You want to follow after me? I'll speak English. Bhavana will speak Hindi. You all follow. Let's follow the same thing. Let me speak only English. Let us speak Hindi, and you all follow Hindi. If you want to share the YouTube, next time you can play this in the house and do the same thing. Okay? Understand, my friend? Don't follow me. I'm sure many of you know English. Understand? You go back up. You don't need to use the wand because you already have it. You put the money inside if you want. You put the money inside if you want. You don't have, just go like that. But this must be in the center of the heart. This will be the heart. Okay? Understand? Heart is very important. Huh? Say. Money.
money.
Hey. Give you more.
आप लोग हिंदी में जवाब वापस बोलिए, ठीक है?
Money.
धन।
You are super, super good.
तुम शुभ हो।
You're great.
तुम बहुत बहुत शुभ हो।
Everybody needs you.
तुम सबको तुम्हारी आवश्यकता है। आप लोग सब हिंदी में बोलिए, मेरे पीछे सर इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे, मैं हिंदी में बोलूंगी, आप लोग हिंदी में दोहराइए, ठीक है?
I want to make this an Indian money blessing. That's fair. So it's very complicated. Every time money, all say money. Follow one word. Money in Hindi is what? I can't say nah. You all know easy for you all. So next time we will share. You can do in English after, everyone can do in English. Understand? We already have English. We already have in English. Now we want to do Hindi. We want to do it in every language so we can share in the YouTube that everybody can follow. Myself, my friend. Okay? Because I want the poorest of the poor to learn this also. It's not only you. They also need money. Understand? A single mother needs more money than you. You know, you may need 10,000 rupees. She only needs 1,000 rupees, madam. Yes or no? Yeah, so we need the money to go to them also. They need the money for more people. Yes or no? Yes, a rich man needs 100 crores or 100,000 rupees every month. He has to pay his rent, he got to pay for his car, he got to pay for his work, he got to pay for second wife, third wife, fourth wife. The poor fellow don't have money to buy food for his baby, milk for the baby, yes or no? Yeah, that money can go very high. So we want money to go to each and every person in this country and all over the world. That's what this is all about. Okay? So put it down here and say, money.
धन
Hey!
धन धन आप लोग सब
Oh, don't say. She will say dan and you say dan.
After Bhavna.
Yes, after Bhavana, not after me. After her. So we follow Hindi properly. Understand? I assume that you people do not know English at all. Understand? You just follow Hindi. Understand, my friend? Very good. Put on. Money.
धन
You are super, super good.
तुम शुभ हो
You are wonderful.
तुम बहुत बहुत शुभ हो
You are great.
तुम बहुत ही अच्छे हो
Everybody needs you.
तुम्हें सबको तुम्हारी आवश्यकता है
I need you.
मुझे धन की आवश्यकता है
My family needs you.
मेरे परिवार को धन की आवश्यकता
My
है
company needs you.
मेरे देश को धन की आवश्यकता
My
है
city needs you.
मेरी सिटी को तुम्हारी आवश्यकता है
India needs you.
भारत को तुम्हारी आवश्यकता है
You are everywhere.
तुम हर जगह हो
You are very important today.
तुम बहुत आवश्यक हो आज की डेट में
Your education,
तुम स्वास्थ्य हो
your
तुम
health,
शिक्षा हो
your joy.
तुम प्रसन्नता हो
You are very important for everybody
तुम
today.
सबके लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण हो
Go towards me.
मेरी तरफ बहो
Go to my family.
मेरे परिवार की तरफ बहो
Go to my country.
मेरे देश की तरफ बहो
Go to my company.
मेरी कंपनी की तरफ बहो
Go to my country.
मेरे देश की तरफ बहो
Flow like a river.
नदी की तरह मेरी तरफ आओ
Flow like a waterfall.
झरने की तरह मेरी तरफ झरो
Rain on me.
मेरे ऊपर पानी की तरह बरसो
Giving is receiving.
जो मैं देता हूँ वही मुझे मिलता है
Whatever I'm giving
जो मैं देता हूँ
will return to me many, many more
वो
times.
मुझे भरपूर मात्रा में मिलेगा
The more I'm giving,
जिससे जितना अधिक मैं दे रहा हूँ
the more I'm receiving.
उससे अधिक मुझे प्राप्त हो रहा है
Whatever I'm giving
जो भी मैं देता हूँ
is returning me in abundance.
वो मुझे भरपूर मात्रा में वापस मिलता है
I'm giving love.
मैं प्यार देता हूँ
I'm giving love in abundance.
मुझे भरपूर प्रेम मिलता है
I'm giving food.
मैं भोजन देता हूँ
I'm giving food in abundance.
मुझे भरपूर मात्रा में भोजन मिलता है
Money.
मैं पैसे देता हूँ
I'm giving money in abundance.
मुझे भरपूर मात्रा में पैसे मिलते
This is
हैं
the divine law.
ये ईश्वर का नियम है
Giving is receiving.
जो भी मैं प्राप्त करता हूँ धन से ही प्राप्ति होती है जितना मैं देता हूँ
The more I'm receiving.
उससे ही अधिक मुझे मिलता है
God,
ईश्वर
let every person,
हर परिवार पे
Every family.
हर इंसान पे
every company,
हर कंपनी पे
every city,
हर शहर में
every country
हर देश में
be blessed
पे मनी का आशीर्वाद हो
with abundance of money,
भरपूर पैसों के साथ
abundance of wealth,
भरपूर धन के साथ
abundance of prosperity.
और खूब सारी संपत्ति के साथ आशीर्वाद मिले
Money is the money of divine
मेरा
fire.
धन दिव्य अग्नि का धन है
My money is the purity God is
मेरा
at.
धन है पवित्रता है जिसकी ईश्वर अभिलाषा करते
The
हैं
Indian currency,
इंडियन रुपीज
the currency of divine fire.
दिव्य अग्नि की मुद्रा है
The Indian currency
इंडियन करेंसी
is the purity God is at.
वो पवित्रता है जिसकी ईश्वर अभिलाषा
The
करते
world
हैं
currency
पूरे देश की करेंसी
is currency of divine
दिव्य
fire.
अग्नि की करेंसी है
The world currency is
पूरे देश की
the
करेंसी
purity God is at.
वो पवित्रता है जिसकी ईश्वर अभिलाषा
God.
करते हैं ईश्वर
Thank you.
आपका धन्यवाद
Thank you.
धन्यवाद
Thank you.
धन्यवाद
Give a big clap. Okay, my friend, now what do? You have to share your money if you have. When somebody comes to you, the roadside, and keep money, you say, no, I have no money, go. Don't do that. I have a lot of coins in the car. Give 1 rupees or 2 rupees or 5 rupees, keep it there. Don't have no
ये
money.
चीज मैंने सर से सीखी है क्योंकि बहुत बार रेड लाइट में मेरे पास भिखारी आते थे लेने के लिए और मैं उनको बोलती थी कि आप क्यों आए हो आप काम क्यों नहीं कर लेते कुछ लेकिन सर ने ये सिखाया हमको कि आप कुछ पैसे अपने पास रखिए चाहे 10 की गड्डी रखो आप लेकिन अगर कोई भी आपके पास गरीब इंसान आता है उससे बिना कुछ सवाल करे आप उसको 10 रुपए 20 रुपए जितना भी पैसा आप दे सकते हो आप उसको देते समय बोलो मैं
और
जितना
touching it.
देता हूँ उससे अधिक मुझे मिलता है।
No touching it.
I will touch.
No touching it. No touching it. No touching it.
I will touch. Without that, I will not go to that
No
other.
touching it. Let me touch each other.
No. Oh my God.
Don't touch it. No.
So, one.
You want a hug? I give you a hug. Then I give you a hug. But don't touch it. Hey, come on. So remember, you must give to receive.
आपको देने की जरूरत है प्राप्त करने के लिए। जितना आप देंगे उससे अधिक आपको मिलेगा। यही ईश्वर का नियम है और यही हम अपने अभिकथन में, जो हमारा समृद्धि का अभिकथन है, यही कहते हैं कि जो मैं देता हूँ उससे अधिक मुझे मिलता है। मैं भोजन देता हूँ, मुझे भोजन मिलता है। मैं प्रेम देता हूँ, मुझे प्रेम मिलता है। मैं पैसा देता हूँ, मुझे पैसा मिलता है। मैं शिक्षा देता हूँ, मुझे शिक्षा मिलती है।
Don't have to give much.
आपको बहुत ज्यादा देने की जरूरत नहीं है। जितना भी आप अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं उतना दीजिए, पर दीजिए।
Very important understand. Giving is receiving.
ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि देने से ही हमें प्राप्ति होती है।
If you don't receive it this lifetime, you receive it next lifetime.
अगर आपको इस जन्म में ना भी मिले तो भी आप निराश ना होए, देते रहें, आपको अगले जन्म में मिलेगा।
Don't give it expectation.
आप उम्मीद के साथ मत दीजिए कि मैंने आज 10 रुपए दिए, मुझे कल 1 लाख रुपए मिलेंगे। ऐसा सोचिए मत। आप बिना किसी एक्सपेक्टेशन के, उम्मीद के, बस दिल से दीजिए।
Okay? Got tattoos? Got tattoos? How many tattoos do you have? Come.
इनके पास टैटू है 2।
Everybody like to have tattoo.
In our Hinduism, sir, we always touch the feet of our parents or any elders.
Touch your parents is fine. No elders. Touch your father, mother. That's all. They give you everything.
What about
Come.
the Tata and other?
No, he's saying no.
What is all this? What tribal? You see, it's a tattoo of tribal. That means some energy will connect to you.
ये ट्राइबल का टैटू है, इससे कोई ऊर्जा इनके साथ जुड़ेगी जरूर टैटू
Those
से।
days, they put tribal to have connection to go and fight and kill.
Yeah, actually, this is the alphabet of my name. It's S. That
No,
will
no.
make it good.
Connection, man.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
Inner world connection.
इससे आंतरिक दुनिया का कोई ना
Put
कोई
your hands
संबंध इनके साथ जरूर
Left hand,
जुड़ेगा।
left
ये याद रखिए आप।
Left hand. Hands up, please.
ये स्क्रीन हम टेस्ट कर रहे हैं, टैटू का देखिए।
Stop me. Stop me. Very good.
अभी ये मजबूत है इनका हाथ।
Strong, huh? Remove the hand. Touch your tattoo.
अब टैटू को पकड़िए।
Just touch. Hands up, please. Put your hand in.
अब ये टैटू का हम देख रहे हैं कि क्या एनर्जी इफेक्ट कर रही है। ये देखिए, इनका हाथ बिल्कुल कमजोर होके नीचे गिर गया जब इन्होंने टैटू को अपने टच करा। इसका मतलब टैटू कोई ना कोई नकारात्मक ऊर्जा इनको दे रहे हैं।
Tension of tattoo.
और किसी के पास टैटू है यहाँ पे?
This is all this will connect. Okay. This will connect to this.
Okay, bye.
All tattoos will connect. Got a bigger one. What is that? Oh, yo! What is this?
Dragon, sir. Big dragon.
Okay, madam. See you later. Touch the tattoo. Put the hands up. Ready? Give all the strength you have. You're a strong man, huh? Normally stand normally. Hands up, please. Higher. Be careful with it.
It will give you.
We all are different. You can feel the tattoo and without a tattoo. So all tattoos will connect to the inner world connection. So please understand. You want it to be removed? You want the connection to be removed? I'm asking you if you want the connection to be removed. No. I'm not talking about removing physically. You want the connection to be removed. This has got 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 connection. This one got 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 connection. All coming to the inner world.
इनके साथ 5000 से ज्यादा कनेक्शन है जो आंतरिक दुनिया से इनके साथ आ रहे हैं इस टैटू के माध्यम से।
Answer, my friend.
समझ आई आपको? टैटू की वजह से 5000 से ज्यादा कनेक्शन आपके साथ हैं।
What is this?
ये क्या पहना है आपने?
Why? That's all, for sure. Take it out.
ये रुद्राक्ष की माला पहनी है इन्होंने।
Hands up.
अब इससे हम स्क्रीन आर्म टेस्ट करके देखेंगे कि क्या होता है। ये देखिए इनके हाथ में बिल्कुल एनर्जी छोड़ दी है। तो ऐसे आप खुद टेस्ट कर सकते हैं।
Put down.
इसे रखिए।
I will remove your tattoos, but you cannot walk into any tattoo shop from today onwards.
सर आपकी
And I
टैटू
will
की
talk
कनेक्शन
about tattoos.
सर आपकी टैटू कनेक्शन हटाइए आज, लेकिन उसके बाद आप टैटू की दुकान के अंदर कदम भी नहीं रख सकते जिसके पास टैटू है। वाओ, दिस इज सो ब्यूटीफुल। सर जस्ट अपने ऑरा से हग करने से इनके सारे टैटू के कनेक्शन को बेअसर कर रहे हैं।
Hands up, please.
ये बहुत बड़ी बात है, आपको लग रहा होगा, लेकिन इट्स अ वेरी बिग थिंग व्हाट हैज हैपेंड। अब आप देखिए, अभी अपने टैटू को टच कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इनका हाथ अभी भी मजबूत है। लेट्स गिव अ क्लैप फॉर दैट। ये देखिए, इन्होंने पीछे का टैटू पकड़ा, वो भी मजबूत है।
Don't walk to the tattoo shop. Don't show this to anybody. Don't say I got this, I got that. Don't connect with camera. Thank you. Okay, guys. No. Hey. That one is finished. Hey, come on. You understand, huh? Remember this. Tattoos connect to the inner world.
टैटूज हमारे को इनर वर्ल्ड से कनेक्ट करते हैं, तो ध्यान रखिए प्लीज।
This one no come. This one no problem. This one no problem.
दिस
Huh?
इज मेहंदी, दिस इज मेहंदी।
Put something like that and it's gone in 2 weeks now and finish it. That's all. See, all this is fine. It goes away. Just chop and finish, gone. But whenever tattoo is a symbol will connect to the dark side. All is warriors, all go fighting and killing, and that's all they do. The energy will connect to people like this. Like a swastika. Who's a swastika?
Is the symbol, holy symbol.
Nazi.
नाजी सिंबल है।
Nazi would have a swastika everywhere. Their flag, the Nazi, the swastika. And how aggressive they were. They were having inner world connection. They could so fight all over the place. They bring so many places. They fight. They were aggressive because of this tattoo. So remember this, okay? Right, Facebook Live, guys. We got 370 people. Right, so thank you very much, guys. Thank you. See you guys. Say bye. All of you from here, say bye to everybody. Bye. Half of them have gone back home. It's almost 6 o'clock here now. 6 o'clock? 6:20 now. Thank you.